Walk up, everybody, part three.
Rainforest. Okay, kids, here we go. We're here, everybody. Uh-oh, quicksand. I'd better find another place to park. Check out that view.
There's a place where the trees form a tall canopy, and the birds end up singing chorus. Where the snakes and monkeys play, and the rain won't go away. Way down south in the tropical rainforest. It's always hot in the tropical rainforest. Full of life, it's the tropical rainforest. I can't wait to start exploring. See you later. See ya. So long. Awesome! We're in a tropical rainforest. It's warm here all the time, and it rains a lot too. Look how tall the trees are. The rainforest has different layers. I'm in the bottom layer, the forest floor. It's the darkest because the trees block most of the sun. That's the canopy layer. It's where the treetops come together. Think of it as the rainforest's roof. Some trees stick out above the canopy, and that's called the emergent layer. Lots of birds and monkeys live up there. A call from Frankie. Ask him what we need to do to finish the contest sheet. I'll start checking out the rainforest.
Hi, kids. Let's look over the contest sheet and see what we have to do. Dinky monkey, leaf cutter ants.
I'm a beautiful zebra butterfly. I'm an insect. I love to sip nectar from the insides of flowers. There are lots of flowers in the rainforest.
Buenos dias. I'm a tamandua anteater. I climb the trees and look for nests filled with delicious ants. I open the nests with my big claws and use my long, sticky tongue to eat up the ants.
Help the anteater find as many insect nests as possible before time runs out.
Yes! Tasty ants!
Click on the ants to...
Please, click on the ants! I'm hungry! Thanks for helping me eat those tasty ants! Let's find another nest. There are still more ants to eat. Thanks for helping me eat those tasty ants. Let's find another nest. there are still more ants to eat.
Time's up. Here's how many ants the anteater ate. Do you want to play again? No.
We're off to a great start. Nice, terrific. That's exactly where the picture belongs. Commandua Anteater, you've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture.
Hi, we're leafcutter ants. I'm one of the workers. And I'm one of the minimas. We've got lots of work to do. Why don't you come along? First, we've got to cut some nice juicy pieces off of this leaf. Click on the help button to learn how to play. Click enter to begin. Help the worker ant cut out pieces of the leaf. Hold down the mouse button and move the ant to cut out a piece of the leaf. You'll earn 1 point for each piece of leaf you cut out. Cut out as many pieces as you like. The more, the better. Click on the done button when you're finished. Here are the points you earned. You get 5 bonus points for cutting up the entire leaf. Click anywhere to begin. That's perfect. Let's cut out another one. You're such a good helper. You're such a good helper. You're such a good helper. That's perfect. Let's cut out another one. Yeah, cut that leaf. Yeah, cut that leaf. Come on now, let's cut some leaves. That's perfect. Let's cut out another one. Come on now, let's cut some leaves. You're such a good helper. Yeah, cut that leaf. You're such a good helper. Here are the points you earned. Do you want to play again? No. The work's just getting started. Now, we have to collect all the leaf pieces and get them to the nest. All right, on your back, and keep an eye out for that fly, fly, fly. That's the spirit, little sister. We leafcutter ants are moving targets for that foreign fly. It always tries to lay eggs on us. If that happens, the egg will hatch and that baby fly will eat us up. Animals that live off other animals that are still alive are called parasites. Click on the help button to learn how to play. Click anywhere to begin. Yeehaw! Careful! Yeehaw! We're moving! Uh-oh, fly! points you earned. Do you want to play again? To grow more food, here are the points you earned.
This contest sheet is filling up fast. Nice, terrific. That's exactly where the picture belongs. Leaf cutter ants. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture.
Hello to you all. I am a poisoned arrow frog. I'm an amphibian. How did I get my name? My skin makes a special poison that
Nice pitch, good call. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture. Poison arrow frog.
I am a jaguar, the biggest cat in the rainforest. I can prowl on the ground, and I can climb high up in the trees. I'm a predator. I eat just about any other animal here. Bugs, anteaters, birds, you name it. My spots help me blend in with the rainforest.
Giant tarantula here. I am not an insect. I am an arachnid. I have 8 limbs.
I am an iguana, one of the reptiles that lives here in the rainforest. I can use my tail like a whip to defend.
I'm a boa constrictor. Like all snakes, I'm a reptile.
Nice pitch, terrific. That's exactly where the picture belongs. Boa constrictor. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture.
Hey, I'm a two-toed sloth. I'm kind of a green color. That's because tiny plants called algae live in...
It's spider monkey time! I'm a primate just like you. My long arms and legs help me swing through the trees to find...
Nice pitch, good call. Spider monkey. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture.
I'm a Topo toucan. You can recognize me by my big yellow bill. Hello, hello, hello! I'm a macaw, one of the most beautiful birds in the rainforest. Palm nuts are one of my favorite foods.
Click on terrific. That's exactly where the picture belongs. Tiki monkey. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture.
We're TT monkeys. Earn 1 point for each piece of fruit.
This will do just fine. Yep, it's good. Got it. Yummy fruit. I need to find more fruit for my babies. I need to find more fruit for my babies. Got it. This will do just fine. Yummy fruit. Yummy fruit. Get this fruit back to the babies.
Here are the points you earned. Do you want to play again?
Say bye, kids.
Great work. The Rainforest contest sheet is all filled in. Your reward? A page for your animal arts and crafts book. Butterfly sun catchers. Your
Oh
animal
wow,
arts and crafts book